Hi, this video will show you how to extract with one click from IdentityIQ or Procredit. We are in the advanced level, but is similar in the expert or simpler level. At this point, I'm going to go to the credit repair menu here at the top, select Extract Disputes Area. You need to have obviously the data of the client entered, so I'm going from this supposedly client, and then you're gonna select here IdentityIQ or Procredit. Alright, you can see that there is an automatic button that shows up. So if I choose, for example, Procredit, you see it says import automatically from Procredit. If I click IdentityIQ, then it's gonna say IdentityIQ. So I enter the data, whatever it is, right, and the password as appropriate, and the last 4 digits of the social security that actually should be here automatically if you have entered the data from the others correctly from the other side. It's going to be here automatically, and that's it. Pretty much you're going to click this button, okay, and automatically it's going to extract. It's going to log into the it's too fast into the credit report. It's going to grab the data, it's going to extract the data, it's going to assign the letters, it's going to assign the reasons, it's going to classify by type, and it's going to do everything essentially with one click. It is that simple.